like this one. You're going to need a piece of paper, something to color with, and a pencil. So let's begin. First, with your pencil, you're going to draw a cone. So it's like an upside down triangle. Next, you're going to make this little thing. And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. Next, we're gonna make a big scoop of ice cream, but we're gonna stop when we get to there and do it on the other side. So there's a bit of space on top over there. So then we can draw a little cherry. I'm gonna draw a cherry that's kind of like a smush tart. And then we're gonna draw the line. Then we're gonna draw some chocolate syrup on our ice cream. We're then gonna make sprinkles on our chocolate syrup. So this is what it should look like. The last step we're gonna do is we're gonna color it. And you can color it any way you want. You don't have to do it the same way that I'm doing it. So it should look like this so far. Well, if you want to do it like this with a little red cherry and some rainbow sprinkles. Then we're gonna use brown for the chocolate syrup. when you're making your chocolate syrup, you need to make sure to go around the sprinkles. Now I'm going to color in the cone. So first, I'm going to do a bit of orange. A really tiny bit of yellow. More orange. At the end, we're gonna add a tiny bit of brownness. And this is how you draw an ice cream.